They say there are two kinds of G-Shock people. One kind needs it to tell them everything: steps, sleep, notifications. The other kind, us, we just need it to remember everything. The storm, the grit, the way I wiped out on that trail. It doesn't speak, but it remembers it all. That's what a G-Shock is to me. A silent diary strapped to my wrist. And this one right here, it's the hardcover edition of that diary. The GWG-2000, the Mudmaster flagship. The spec sheet is impressive, but what I love more is the sound of these angles. Doesn't it feel like you're touching a weathered meteorite? And right here, these are its keyholes. Turn them, and you can load a new story module. All right, let's focus on the rhythm of the install. Listen, that's the sound of trust. You don't need to see the whole past, you just need to release the right connection. And then welcome the new chapter. This texture reminds me of fern leaves after the rain. The last turn. It's not about force, it's about feeling that slight hitch as the mechanics lock into place. From tactical black to rainforest green, sometimes change just takes 20 minutes and a little nerve. Modding isn't about overwriting the past, it's about adding a new footnote to the memory. It's still ready to dive into any mud, but for now it's coming with me for a coffee, to watch a softer kind of dusk. Want to see more mods? Make sure you're following. Link in the description.